Have you ever wondered how millions of condoms are made every day in high-tech factories? Let's go inside.
Just like many natural resources, this process begins with something simple: liquid latex, collected from rubber trees.
This natural latex is the key raw material, flexible, strong, and perfect for creating safe, protective products. Using advanced machines, glass molds are dipped into the liquid, forming a thin, even layer.
Then comes drying and shaping, where heat transforms the liquid into a durable form.
Strict quality testing of condoms ensures strength, flexibility, and safety.
Finally, they are sealed and packaged. World VAP.
This advanced process not only ensures safety and hygiene, but also how technology can transform natural materials